Welcome to Makeup Mondays with me, Ate Queenie, and you're watching Queeny of Hearts videos. Thank you very much guys for dropping by. Na-appreciate ko po ang inyong panonood sa aking video today. So today we are going to do a very special video. It's gonna be, as you can see in the title, is the no edit 5-minute makeup challenge with DIY sound effects! O diba, may pa-sound effects tayo ngayon kasi no edit na ito. So, ako'y medyo kinakabahan. But before anything else, I would like to shout out sa aking auntie na nag-celebrate ng birthday kahapon. Happy birthday, Auntie Babot! I love you. May the Lord God bless you. And may you have more birthdays to come. And please watch and subscribe na to my channel. So guys, please subscribe to my channel po. And don't forget to click the notification bell para updated po kayo every day sa ating mga daily uploads. O, diba? Actually guys, I'm so anxious kung anong mangyayari today. I don't know if it's a fail or not. But with the help of this cellphone na medyo broken na, today walang linis. So, itong cellphone na to ang magta-time sa akin. It's gonna be 5 minutes as you can see. Okay. Focus. Medyo ang tagal mag-focus. Hey! Basta guys, 5 minutes yan, okay? Alright, okay. So, simulan na natin. I opened everything that needs to be opened ng mga products para mas mabilis ako. And, yeah, maybe I just need to clip this hair. Are you guys ready? Ay, pa-music tayo kasi medyo boring. Woohoo! Multitasking attach, mga besh. Alright, you guys. Okay. So, nakapag-primer na ako, guys. And now, I'm gonna be using... Okay, ready? Ready? Timer. I'm so scared! Lagay ko muna dito, ha? Para pag-apply na lang 5 minutes na agad. I'm putting maybe 2 full pumps. Okay, ready? Ready na kayo? I'm so ready. Okay. Ready? 5 minutes. Starts now. Hi. Okay. So, may mirror tayo. Buti lang may mirror. Kapag sa mga magagaling ng mga YouTubers, kapag nag-start na sila ng foundation, pag nalapat na yung foundation, may pa-music na yan. So, DIY natin. Parang nagyabag man. Uy! Okay! So, ang tagal! Okay. Minsan talaga. This is my first time to do this. Para akong espasol, guys. Ang puti-puti ko. But this Maybelline. I'm using the Maybelline. Oh no, 1 minute pala to. Talaga. Talaga naman. Okay, magko-concealer na tayo, guys. Concealer. Nose up there and down there. And I'm gonna do like this. Hala. Ang puti pala talaga. Hala, ang bilis. Oh no. Bakit ganon? Ang bilis pala talaga. So, magbe-bake pa tayo, guys. Hala. Super. Time flies. Super fast. I'm gonna do, kilay. Oh, 3 minutes. No, it's 3:18. Guys, ang hirap pala nito talaga. Okay, inaisip ko pa na, oh no! Iniisip ko pa na last na lang sana yung kilay. But oh no! It's not gonna be nice. Ano ba yan? Hala, ang bilis. Ang bilis. It's, ano na, ilan? Okay, pagpag. Oh no, I'm so pangit. Ay, naku, nakakakaba! Oh no! Ano ba ang ginagawa ko? Sige, mag-contour na tayo. Contour. Nakakaba pala to, talaga naman. I'm gonna be using the same blush. Okay. Mag-contour dito banda. And then, I'm gonna be using this shade for my eyes. I have 2 minutes. Oh, I have 2 minutes pa. Nakakakaba. As in, nai-stress ako. Lagyan pa tayo ng nose line, kunwari. And then, 1 minute, guys. Ala, ano pa yung ano ko? Aray ko. Ano yan? 1 minute and 45. Let's do the mascara. I think kaya ko to, guys. Charot. But ang tsura ko parang parang espasol. 5 minutes. 5 minutes! Naku, nakakainis talaga. Okay, so 1 minute and 31 seconds. Okay na ba yung tsura ko, guys? Mag-ano tayo? Mag-highlight. Kuno. Highlight here. I have 1 minute. Ay, ano ba yan? Saan ko ba nilagay ang highlight ko? And then, I'm gonna be doing 1 minute. 1 minute left. Nanginginig ako, guys. Akala ko madali lang itong ginagawa ko. I am so scared. Okay. Ang pangit ng itsura, but... Okay. So, yun na yun, guys. So, yun. Ay, mag-contour tayo. I have 44 seconds. Ano ba ang kailangan? hindi na ako makapag-isip. Hindi ko na alam. So, I have 30 seconds. O, tapos na ako! Nanginginig ako. Wait lang. So, pwede pang for 20 seconds. Baka hindi ko na abutin. Try natin 10 seconds ng konti lang ganito. Okay, 5. Ayun. Grabe! Ano ba yan? Ayan na, guys. Tapos na. At ito. O, sige na. Enough na. Stop. Wow! So, eto siya, guys. Eto yung kinalabasan ng ating 5-minute makeup challenge. Ano masasabi nyo? Please comment down below kung okay naman ang kinalabasan. Medyo may mga, dito, may mga blot. Ano yung tawag dyan? Medyo may lumampas ba? Ganun dapat. May mga lumampas lang ng mga mascara. But what do you think, guys? Diba? Not bad for 5-minute makeup. You think? I'm so relieved at tapos na. And hopefully, you have reached the end of this video kasi may mga realizations ako while I'm doing the makeup. That, our life, yung life natin, walang edit, diba? Sige, play emotional music. Yung life natin, walang edit. Whatever we say, whatever we do, kung may nagawa tayong bad things, we only regret it. If we do something nice, it will make us happy. So, yung life natin, walang edit siya. So, might as well do the best and do good to other people and do the best that we can for the Lord. So, yun ang takeaway ko dito for the no edit. And also, for the 5-minute makeup challenge, parang kinakabahan ako talaga doon. Parang over talaga yung stress. Talagang, hindi nyo siguro na-feel, pero talagang kinabahan ako. And, it made me realize that life here on earth, and especially the beautiful things in life, takes time. Hindi natin pwedeng madaliin ang, di ba, kung gusto, if you want to be beautiful, if you want to make yourself beautiful, you really have to take time. It will not only take 5 minutes to make yourself beautiful unless you're really good, di ba? You're a good makeup artist or talagang sanay na sanay ka na. But in life, yung mga beautiful things like pregnancy or being married, di ba? Those are very beautiful things, or promotion sa work mo. It will not be done in just overnight, in just one click or overnight, but all beautiful things take time. And so, na-remember ko sa Bible nga, di ba, that the Lord will make all things beautiful in His time. So, talagang yan yung naisip ko while doing this makeup. And also actually hindi na natin nagawa, no? Yung mga pa-DIY ko sana na sounds. Kasi kinakabahan talaga ako. Talagang medyo yabag-yabag pa. But sa mga realizations naman, if I can think of anything, it can be that sometimes when life bore us, kung nabobore tayo sa life, let us make our own music. Kasi life is like that. It's gonna be boring if you see it as boring. Pero if life throw lemons at us, let's make lemonade. Or if life is boring, let's make our own music, and let's do something that will make us happy. So guys, natapos ko na ang 5-minute makeup challenge. It was really talagang nakakakaba, and hindi ko na pahahabain ang video na to kasi gusto ko na sana mabilis ang video ko every single day. At saka walang editor. So, no cuts, no edit. And so, eto talaga si Ate Queenie. Eto yung nangyayari sa studio ko. Etong nangyayari sa kalakaran ng aking video making every day. So, don't forget to like this video if you like it and if you like my makeup. And don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell para para updated ka every time ako mag-upload. Thank you very much guys for watching. God bless you. Don't forget to be nice and be kind to everyone. Bye-bye! Queeny of Hearts! Bye! But disclaimer pala guys, I think, lalagyan ko to ng lagyan ko siguro ng intro, tsaka extra lang, pero no edit talaga yung buo. And I will be editing, siguro yung, kailangan ko atang i-edit ang thumbnail. Guys, thank you. Please subscribe naman. Bye!